Welcome everyone to our class. Today we have mathematics on differential equation. Okay, so it says differentiate y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 5. All right, solution. Now y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 5. Okay, this is the equation. So we are to find the differential or the differentiated equation. So to find the dy dx, we are differentiating y with respect to x. So it means we can write it like this: dy by dx, or we can also write it y to power n or y to power 1. Okay, so this end of these two will give us the differentiated equation. So however, to differentiate y is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 5, we need to note that the x of y equals x to power n by the differential law is same thing as y. We are picking this y is equal to, now you see this n, we bring the power to multiply the x, which is nx, and then take away 1 from the power, and so n minus 1. This is the general rule for differential equation, the general rule. So if we apply this rule to this, we now have y to power 1 is equal to, now if you differentiate this by this rule, but if I apply this rule to this x squared, it will become 2x to power 2x to power 2. Let's write everything so that then we'll just bring it out. 2x to power 2 minus 1 plus 4x to power 1 minus 1. Remember that x, only x means there's 1 up, which is not written. Then plus 5 to power, okay, 1 minus, this one will be 1 minus 1, which is a 0. Of course, the dx of a constant is 0. The dx of a constant is 0. So this invariably gives us 0. Because here too, y of a constant, assuming y is equal to a constant, ordinary number k, then y this will be equal to 0. Okay, you understand, for a constant. All right, so if I apply the same thing here, that will be the same thing as y to power 1 is equal to, now 2 minus 1 is 2, so we have 2x, only 2x, then plus, now 4x to power 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So, and anything raised to power 0, well, let me just write it, 4x to power 0, that's it. Then plus 0, of course. Now if we continue, we have y to power 1 is equal to 2x plus, now 4x to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is 1, so leaving us with only 4. So 4 times 1 is 4, and of course this is 0. Therefore this is the answer to the question. So please continue to like and share and make comments, and also try to encourage the young ones to follow this program, so that by doing so they will build confidence in their studies and be able to pass their own exams without depending on exam malpractices. Thank you, and see you in our next class.